Yo guys, it's your boy Arky, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make AP floors for FiveM slash airport floors for FiveM. So first of all, you want to go to the link in the description and join my Discord. Then when you've joined my Discord, just go to sub verify, it will be at the top. Send a screenshot of you subscribed, then you'll get the role. So you get the role so you can see the temps, and then just download AP floors. Arky, download that. And when you've got that, just open the RAW file, open that, and then drag this RPF file into the desktop. And then when you've done that, all you have to do is open OpenIV. So when you've done that, just drag the RPF file into the empty space. Make sure these are closed. Context, RPF, just keep opening them until you see this. Scroll down. Scroll down until you see the textures. Now all you want to do is go on the first texture, export all textures. Oh wait, before that, make sure edit mode is on. So edit mode, yes. Textures, export all textures, PNG. Find so all you want to do here is go to your desktop and make a new folder. I'm just going to call it AP floors. So when you've done that, all you want to do is find the file that you just made, open it, press select, and then just go through all these textures and then export all of them. So export all textures, PNG, AP floors, and then when I have exported them all, I will get back to you guys. So guys, I've just exported them all, so all I'm going to do is minimize OpenIV, so minimize, and then go to the file that you made with all the PNGs in. Then all you want to do is, if they don't have these, are the pink PNGs, just delete them. So delete, 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 and I'll get back to you guys when I've deleted all of them. So guys, I have just deleted all the other ones that I've now got the pink PNG. So all I'm going to do now is just close that and open Photoshop. If you don't have Photoshop, I've made a video on how to get it for free. Just go on my channel and just find it. So guys, when you're on Photoshop, just press open, go to the go to the folder that you just made with all the PNGs, and then just drag and press open on all the PNGs, and then it'll take a while. So guys, when you're on Photoshop, all you have to do is just go to Google and just search up. I'm going to do like a tile ground for the ground. I could do something like this, yeah. So all I'm going to do, I found one, so all I'm going to do is right click, copy, and then edit and paste. And then all you have to do is then, if it's not the right size, just do Control T to make it smaller or something. Well, mine's the right size, so File, Save As, PNG, Save, yes, okay. So then after you've done that, just go to the other one here, and then I'm just gonna copy and paste it again, Control V, and then Control Shift S to just do that quicker, save it quicker. PNG, yes, yes, yes. Then I'll get back to you guys when I've replaced them all. Yo guys, I've just finished them all, replaced them all. It took a while, so yeah. Anyway, so now make sure you've saved them all, but now I can just close that. I'm just gonna just keep pressing no. Actually, now I'm just gonna minimize it because it takes a while. So when you've done that, just open Ivy. I closed it, I didn't minimize it, so just open it again. If you've minimized it, you just saw it. You just go to this texture, and then you go to replace. It should, and then you see where it says AP. You can find it, or you can just do this. AP boom, grass. So it's this one. So you just do that. You can go to the other one, replace. So it's going to be a TCS, and then boom. So and then you're gonna say save, and then you're gonna do for every single one. So I'll get back to you guys when I've done them all. So now I'm going to be showing you guys how to make put it in game. So all you have to do is right click on FiveM, open file location, and then application data. Or if you can't do that, just search up FiveM, right click open file location, right click again, and then press open file location. And then when you're on application data, you want to go to mods, and if you have any other ones, just move it into your desktop, or you can bin it. But make sure you don't have any roads. So I have the Minecraft road, so all I'm going to do is drag it out because I don't want to delete it. And then if you have anything else, that the airport, like floors, just make sure to delete that. Then after that, I'm just going to drag the RP file that we just made into that. And then we can close that. And then I'll see you guys on when I'm in the server. So guys, as you can see, it has worked. Which is yeah, that's what we wanted to do. It does it all the way over there. When because of my no clips, but like when you're on the ground, it should like load in. So if I come over here, works perfectly fine all over. It's a nice gloss to it. But yeah, if you guys have enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or yeah, stuff like that, just join my Discord and ask me. But have a good one, guys.